Hi, this is Siva Girmala. This is regarding the data warehouse project based on US County business patterns. In the last video, we loaded the staging DB from the text files, source text files, and if we remember, the pictorial representation of loading the source text files into staging DB is like this. We have seen this earlier, so we are going to continue on this one. And one minor correction in the last video was, while describing one of the packages, I mentioned for each loop container as a sequence container. I apologize for the oversight. We will continue in this video to load the staging DB to the OLTP database. And I created this OLTP database, and I attached the scripts on the website, and you can find those scripts here in the folder OLTP US County Business Patterns table creation scripts, and then OLTP DB and the table creation scripts.sql. And here we are creating the county table and county business pattern table and Nikes table with the referential constraints. And I already created this database with these three tables already in place. And before loading, let's check whether we have any data in this, because I already loaded this data once or twice, so I want to make sure that we start with 0 rows in all these three tables. So we got 0, 0 and 0 rows for this Nikes County and County Business Pattern table. And we'll go ahead and look into the package I created for this purpose of loading the staging tables to OLTP database. And this SQL is for truncating the tables, truncate the tables and delete the Nikes and county data. Okay, and here is a master package that what we are looking at, and here is a sequence container that loads the Nikes table, county table and business pattern table, and each package will load one table at a time. And let's look at the load county business pattern DTSX package. Before we go there, I created two connection managers at the project level, one for the staging DB and one for the OLTP DB. Basically it's like a source and destination connections. Now let's go to the load business and pattern DTSX, and the control flow is just a data flow task, and the source is coming from the staging DB and the destination will be our OLTP DB, county business pattern table. And here, and basically we are picking all the columns from the business pattern table, county business pattern table, and here is the list of columns here. We already seen this in our earlier videos, so nothing new here. And here there is a derived column in the transformations, and let's have a look at that. And here to the process, we are adding a county ID column by concatenating the FIP state and FIPS county name IDs. FIP state is a 2-digit code, and county is a 3-digit code, so it's like a varchar 5. That's what we are getting. So this is what it is, and then we are replacing here with a string value DTI4, and here is the destination table, and the mappings here, we mapped all the columns one at a time, and we have an error output here, and if there is any error while inserting into the destination table, we are redirecting that row into a flat file destination, so that we will at the end of the package we can see whether there are any errors, and we will try to fix those errors at a later point of time. And here, and here is the master package, and we are ready to run this package. So let us execute this package. So package started, and it truncated the tables, and then loaded Nikes, loaded county, and then it is loading the business pattern table now. And while we are talking on the package, there is a flat file destination for error output, and if you will look at this text file, if there is any errors, probably you will find error code and error description in that file along with the source columns. So if we want to find what is the description for a particular SSIS error code, there is a link on the website, this one, SSIS error codes and error descriptions, and here this will take us to a Microsoft website showing the integration services error and message reference. So if you scroll down, so this is the error code and this is the error description. So if you ever run into this scenario, probably you will find why that error is occurring and what is the corresponding description, and then we can go back and try to fix it. And in this package there are some errors, so we'll see at the end of the package run, and we'll try to fix it. Or if it is like I stopped the video a little bit earlier because my machine is making a lot of noise while loading the data, so I stopped that video and then we are continuing on that. And the status of the package is now it loaded the 30 million rows plus, and if you look at the checkbox, all are green, so we are good. But there is a redirection in the error output. We got around 125,000 records, something like that, with in the flat file destination file. So let's go ahead and look at the flat file destination, the error destination, and open this file. And here we got this error. The last 4 digits is 7685. So you can copy this error and go to the website, and then find the error code and error description, and here it is, and it is saying no status is available. So we'll try to come back and fix this error if we have time, or probably for this project probably we can leave it like this at this point of time. But if I have some time, then probably I will dig deeper into this and then fix it. Let's go back to the package and here on the master package, the progress is it took about 7 to 8 minutes to load the data from staging to OLTP database. So we are done with the data loading, and let's come out of this execution mode, and the next step is loading the data warehouse from this OLTP database, and we will see that in the next video. Thanks for watching. We'll come back in the next video, load this OLTP database into a data warehouse. Thanks for watching.